What if I told you that in 2025, you could create jaw-dropping graphics, logos, and social media visuals without spending a penny or needing years of design experience? That's right. Free AI tools are revolutionizing graphic design, and today, I'm unveiling the top 7 free AI tools for graphic designers that will elevate your work, save you hours, and make your portfolio pop. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just love creating stunning visuals, these tools are your ticket to professional designs on a $0 budget. I've tested over 100 AI platforms, and these are the cream of the crop, packed with features, no watermarks, and ready to unleash your creativity. Stick around for a bonus tool at the end that's an absolute game changer, and grab my referral links in the description for exclusive perks to get started fast. Welcome to Web Success, your go-to channel for unlocking the best tools and strategies to amplify your creative and business game. I'm your host, and after diving deep into the AI design space, I've handpicked the 7 best free AI tools for graphic designers in 2025. These tools will help you create everything from logos to Instagram posts, streamline your workflow, and impress clients without touching expensive software. I'll walk you through each tool, share real-world use cases, highlight their benefits, and show you how to access them for free. Plus, don't skip to the end. Tool number 8 is a hidden gem that's completely free and could transform how you design. All referral links are in the description for free trials or bonuses. So let's dive in. First up is Canva's Magic Studio, a powerhouse for creating professional visuals with AI-driven features. The free plan includes thousands of templates, AI image generation, and tools like Magic Design, which turns text prompts into polished graphics. Imagine you're a freelancer designing a poster for a local event. You type "Vintage Music Festival Poster" into Magic Design, and it generates multiple designs with fonts, colors, and images, all customizable and royalty-free. I tested this for a cafe flyer, and in under 10 minutes, I had a print-ready design that looked like it came from a pro studio. The benefits? It saves hours, delivers high-quality visuals, and has no watermarks on free exports. My referral link below unlocks a free trial of Canva Pro for premium assets. Pro tip: use the AI background remover to create clean product images for e-commerce or social media. Next, we have Photopea, a free browser-based Photoshop alternative with AI-powered editing tools. It's perfect for designers who need advanced editing without the Adobe price tag. The free version supports PSD files, AI object removal, and filters, all with no sign-up required. Picture this: you're editing a client's product photo with a cluttered background. Photopea's AI removes it in one click, letting you add a sleek backdrop or effects. I used it to retouch a portrait, and it took 5 minutes to achieve results that rivaled Photoshop. The benefits include pro-level editing, browser-based convenience, and no cost. My referral link in the description connects to Photopea's premium features for ad-free editing. Pro tip: use the AI Smart Selection tool to isolate complex objects like hair or logos effortlessly. Tool number 3 is Remove.bg, a one-click AI background removal tool that's a must for clean, professional visuals. The free plan offers unlimited low-resolution downloads, ideal for web use. Say you're a small business owner creating an online store. You upload a product photo, and Remove.bg strips the background in seconds, giving you a crisp image for your website. I tested it with a clothing item, and it saved me 20 minutes of manual editing. The benefits? Lightning-fast results, enhanced product listings, and no design skills needed. My referral link below offers extra credits for high-res downloads. Pro tip: combine Remove.bg with Canva to create layered social media graphics in minutes. Our fourth tool is Leonardo AI, a free AI image generator that rivals paid tools like Midjourney. The free plan gives you 150 tokens daily to create high-quality visuals, from concept art to branding assets. Imagine you're a YouTuber needing a unique thumbnail. You input futuristic cityscape in cyberpunk style, and Leonardo generates stunning, detailed images in under a minute. I used it for a logo concept, and the results were so polished I could pitch them to a client. The benefits include top-tier image quality, creative flexibility, and no watermarks. My referral link in the description unlocks bonus tokens for their paid plans. Experiment with different style models like anime or realism to match your brand's vibe. If you're loving these tools so far, smash that like button. It helps keep web success growing. Check the description for my referral links, which give you free trials or exclusive perks while supporting the channel. We've got 3 more tools plus a bonus coming up, so let's keep going. Tool number 5 is Chroma, an AI-powered color palette generator that's a dream for designers stuck on color choices. The free plan lets you train the AI by selecting 50 colors you like, and it generates personalized palettes tailored to your style. Picture a startup founder designing a brand identity. Chroma suggests harmonious color combos that you can preview on mockups, ensuring your branding pops. I used it for a website redesign, and it saved me hours of trial and error. The benefits? It eliminates color guesswork, ensures accessibility-compliant palettes, and boosts design cohesion. My referral link below connects to Chroma's community for inspiration. Use the contrast checker to create palettes that meet WCAG accessibility standards. Next up is Designs.ai, a free AI-driven suite for logos, banners, and social media graphics. The free plan offers basic templates and AI tools like logo generation and color matching. Say you're a marketer needing a quick logo for a campaign. You input your brand name and style preferences, and Designs.ai generates dozens of editable logos in seconds. I tested it for a mock startup, and it delivered a professional logo in under 10 minutes. The benefits include fast branding solutions, beginner-friendly tools, and low-res downloads for free. My referral link in the description unlocks a discount on high-res exports. Use the AI color matcher to align your logo with existing brand assets. Tool number 7 is Styler AI, a free platform for creating and editing images with advanced AI features. It's ideal for designers working on e-commerce or digital art, offering tools like sketch-to-image and object removal. Imagine you're an Etsy seller needing product mockups. You sketch a basic design, and Styler turns it into a 3D rendered image with realistic textures. I used it to create a t-shirt mockup, and it took 15 minutes to go from sketch to final design. The benefits? It speeds up prototyping, enhances creativity, and offers free exports. My referral link below gives you extra credits for premium features. Use the generative fill to add or replace elements in existing images seamlessly. Now, for the bonus tool, Kittle, a free AI design platform specializing in typography and vintage-style graphics. The free plan includes thousands of templates, AI text effects, and background removal. Picture a content creator designing a retro-inspired Instagram post. Kittle's AI suggests fonts and layouts, turning your idea into a polished graphic in minutes. I created a logo for a mock brand in 12 minutes, and it looked ready for print. The benefits include unique typography options, fast design creation, and no watermarks. My referral link in the description unlocks a discount on Kittle's Pro plan. Pro tip: use the AI text effects to create eye-catching headlines for posters or merch. That wraps up our list of the top 7 free AI tools for graphic designers in 2025, plus the bonus gem, Kittle. These tools can transform your workflow, save hours, and deliver professional designs that compete with the best. Whether you're crafting logos, social media visuals, or product mockups, there's something here for every designer. Head to the description for my referral links. They offer free trials, extra credits, or discounts, and they help keep Web Success running. If this video sparked your creativity, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and comment below with which tool you're excited to try or what AI topic you want next. Thanks for watching Web Success, and I'll see you in the next one.